Scéalmhór going ó HQ how to Gael because táid dul ar camchúirt ríis.
Táid ar an móthra chuirde bhemuid I London, bhemuid I bars, I ggurcaig, agus an lochlia.
How 2 little sneaky gigs coming to your own Morine, register for interest and ar an 8 lás fihid ggurcaig.
I ggurcaig agus down a Costco an lochlia, be Lynn, get a ticket and we'll see you for spicy hamach. Hello, chuirde agus fáilte go epna seachna lumsa Louise Candelan.
Agus lumsa n-éisteoirí and oh my god, we're getting the full name.
Well, háimse ag fannach le seo rá. Moulin Rouge, what about Nebbiolo Rouge? Give us a look at them. What's up?
Yes.
What's up till we see them? Oh la la.
Well, I'll tell you, you wouldn't want to be getting any fucking notions about yourself over in Paris, France. Yes. Oh, tá mé in Gay Paris, a hard Gael.
Not in Paris a wet minute, and she's the lips done, the red, the rouge is on.
The rouge is on. The rouge is on. That's for sure. Well, I'm telling you, you'd want to see Louise, famously not a fan of a red lip. Is bra lumsa na beola dearga. I love a red lip. Now this is not a red lip. This is a little bit of liner and then a clear gloss air.
Oh, that's a red lip. Bring him up there.
Fuck off! It's not a red. No, I have some nice red lips. These are not them. Anytime I try to wear them around Louise, she gives out to me. Now, you're not encouraging of my red lips.
She Dakar Darag Gav. Talk me backwards Darag Gav.
Do you know what? Okay, so just to isolate all of the male listeners. On no, I'm trying to figure out. I spend so much fucking money because I always lose my lip combos. Agus I reached and me tachtúd near for the Tapaigh Paris. I went in, I got my lip combo in MAC. I was like, why am I spending all this fucking money on this? Because being she there the viola or fag like lahorchlig and then being she the mehe. But when a makeup artist does your liner and lipstick, it stays. But nur yinna my hain, I don't know. Me he anan she.
God, they are different. Do you know actually Tom Magusod and Rolly, like they're like balm lippies. Oh, Hilden.
Yeah.
Mollum Gamori. They're actually it's a colach there now, but they're so lasting. I don't know when she'd lasting or when we should just go so I did gone a minute, but
yeah. Hilden is where it's at. Kjolchi the stuff going and it's like I have really sensitive eyes and skin because Anna now being she'd a shitty door in there via have liners and the Hilden liners are if you are hypoallergenic ma into allergically stuff trial and stuff Hilden Tajanova.
Yeah, tough.
There you go.
How A from the lips and the rouge and tell us about what's going on in Paris. Can is it on sale? Like are you having a ball?
Oh girl, I'm having a ball. Like I mean now time I didn't have over. Time I sorfag me lads. I'm in Paris. I know. No, I'm telling you, I'm pretty good. I'm playing my fiddle for 2 hours a day. Gachlaw. I am dinner dibber so on size routine hagam na iarraidh mar maidin. Tim she's good. Time a salacha quarter. So Tim she's good. Jardin de Luxembourg for a little. Oui. So Tim she's and son ar maidin. Agus then so it's going breakfast and then the battle begins, which is try not to eat your weight in pastries because it starts off and pastries and baguettes and whole lot. Now like look, I mean, I need an egg, give me a row hours. So I don't try to have too much of a healthy diet. I live life and I'm very happy to do that. But when it gets to the stage when you're like, ooh, could I have a third pastry for the day? And then also like if I don't go out for a drink tonight, now I have already had a drink today, but if I don't go out for a drink tonight, it'll be the first night I've stayed in on Orlando my choma. So but you see when you're in Paris, when you can get a €4 glass of delicious vino to Dakar, and like Tom's.
Yeah. Moderation though.
Oh yeah, no, Kefin. Yeah, well, my thought to Jennifer and Shannon were going my rod. Like you feel mahatu bugga if you feel like you're doing, and tatu Jennifer the chudibra, and then sit down and eat the pastries and have the almond croissants and have the butter croissants and have the baguettes and a jambon beurre, dun loan and a little bit of French onion soup or steak et frites going on diner, and it's great. No, it's Anna Hasabas.
Er real tune escargot.
No, now Dort Carlum, vi me mola Carlum, and they're like a drill to an escargot. Vi chara not even New York, Shiva Mulligan lum agus Maeve Idrifor and Sohagorn weekend agus they were like, oh, will you try the escargot? I was like, no, and they're like, would you like oysters? I was like, no, oysters and escargot not the same thing. And Esau sorry, have I just stopped being able to speak? And Esau. The escargot.
Yeah, but on pain like blast down garlo really
like
it's snáv and sin sort all sin atá anna garlogach And it's,
Yeah.
like, no, tá she's slimy now and a little bit snotty, but like, it's even on the oysters, like, it's gawker neat. Like, it's all right. Like, you kind of chew them and you're getting a garlicky chew, a snotty garlic.
Really?
Yeah.
Would you order them? Like really? If we
Yeah, Viamar Boris, there in me Yerfor and
Yeah.
Rossi. Agus vi, yeah, vi should go in, yeah, good as. But it's malam ein rod le garlic, like, you know.
Yeah, well, it's málam like in the garlic. I do think I draw the lines ag na shelady, like ní málam shelady. I don't know. Didn't she me freaking out anyway? Ní málam on stiff gavagan sheet in the diag na shelady, you know, on
Too more shin le
sneash.
choma ton sort.
No, it's málam the oysters. It's málam. I had oysters riavlum. Yeah, Ashley. Look, I'll never say never, but Louise, but doesn't so Tammy chun show ruin the Ianif Ibaris again Kaikis. Mahasim go tacht. You can sign up through the link in our bio and come, and we will reveal the secret location. Because we're hogging to gosh chance go in a material and as an escargot.
Yes, when we tree last like Kayla.
Okay.
For nothing else, we'll do it for the Instagram scale.
Perfect. Okay. Why else did you do anything? Achel go on Instagram scale.
Lotta of the escargot, really photograph lovely. I'll give them that. Their shell it photographs well.
Really?
Shell is good ass.
I think that would ick me out. That geehing the nagging to get hit. I think that geehing the nagging to get hit escargot. I'd be like, I'll see it, bye. And like me, miss a picky eater.
Maybe I'm finally going to give you the icter.
Maybe.
No, mission still go more lash. And do you know what? Like Mars gonna being fucking Rodaigan to go me out. I don't know why I'm like this, but via Stainok ag Jane of renewing my fast. So tá Shin le Jane of gone mad and morach, and I'm not joking, lads. Don't let you be that fool because tá sé cho chosasach. Now, being she's an like turn around the end of the ein law one agus orinte being shitting tastal. Obviously dumps tá sé tastal Norsha. But by God, if I hadn't been such a cheeky little witch thinking, bet you grab, dating me. Okay, €80.
Fuck me.
Yeah.
Fuck me. Well, if it isn't the consequences of your own actions coming home to hatch.
Yeah.
Gas.
Look, beg sé gomanish, agus beg sé gom the forest, agus the London, because we're always going to be in London.
Yes, we're going to be in London. Can I ask you now? Sorry, Louise is being a little witch. Me and her show on Lafayette on the call because we gleich Ibra going, and I was like, just because you can take the passport photo yourself, and I can only. Sorry, you would be a fucking nightmare to try and take a passport photo of them. I just can't. Like, no, I wouldn't be able for that now at all.
Well, I'm sure I couldn't anyway. My efforts all went in vain because we like Dana Virach de Verlina, and that is not conducive to anyone's mental health because it's a disastrous kind of setup. The angles are wrong, the colours are wrong, the dimensions are wrong. So on this Farla Dana was go agus fi can now, where do you find one of those boxes? I thought, you know, Garevna Ruddy Shin Fosan. You know, do you remember you used to be able to go in to sit in like in a shopping centre? I'll get kept out. Anyway,
you still can. I'm sure there's. I'm pretty sure there's still one in Ennis Shopping Centre in County Clare because that's where I got my last passport photo taken.
Oh, perfect. Well, I'll knit to Ennis tonight. Someone said to me anyway, they were like, go to Bagot Street to Dowling's Pharmacy, and I was like, perfect, expecting there to be like, you know, a little booth. Well, anyway, the pharmacist comes out from behind his fucking stall, a mask on. It was like, I don't know what, it puts me stood up against this white wall. Sure, absolutely horrific. I had a few little wispines of Gruig, she is Mershaw.
Yeah.
You'll have to see this in our full video podcast. A few wisps Mershaw, right? Simple like. And he was like, oh no. Tuck your hair behind your ears, and he made me tuck myself in. Sure, Catalogian, but anyway.
Well, I can only imagine. Thoughts and prayers with that for a photographer, because I can fucking tell you now, as someone who takes a lot of Louise's Instagram pictures, right, and that's when we can, you know, when she can have her full body in and the whole glam. It's not one concentrated picture on her face. I wouldn't. Hell, it's been the man who has to take the picture of Louise Constance passport.
I wouldn't mind, like, I think we haven't done a photo shoot like that, LaFada, now, so I'll have to get back to the angles there.
Now listen, Louise, rest assured, I look absolutely geek in all my passport photos and all my driver's license. Gachard, and you know, that's okay. That's okay.
My driver's license, I look fucking great in. And
do you?
I'll tell you, because I had to renew it the week of my wedding.
Oh wow, okay.
I'll tell you, I had a skinny little face. I've never looked at Snatched, and God be with that week, that 1 year of my life. But anyway, freshen to Isco with their Patreon. So if you want to join us over there where it all happens and it's a little bit more Donna and spicy, go and have a listen. It sounds like this.
It's Queen Lama Vean and Stockholm McTafford, right? And we were the same, like, where did you go for a night out in Stockholm? Where's the crack at, right? We need to film these nighttime scenes. We were in Tafford for each car. And they were like, oh no, the clubbing scene is like off the charts, but it's all raving. Agus ní tusní in the raves could be like until it's like 2:30 in the morning, 3, and then they say go until 7 a.m. So like you have to do all your pre-drinking savala or whatever, and then go to the rave at 2 a.m. So like
God.
that's on a déanaimid together, isn't it?
Oh, that's sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, we turned over a new leaf. That sounds horrendous to me.
Okay, there you go. So Patreon fáil chomá, and we'd love to have you there as part of that parish. Now, Lana, would your Irish le?
Where's that parish? Excuse me.
Yeah.
With the Reverend Father Louise Campson. Okay.
He's actually taking a turn back towards spirituality, according to believe it or not.
You'll hear Scala for other Patreon. But tell me, what time are you hearing confession? Sinead Kest.
Oh, you wouldn't be able to afford my confession, girl.
Oh. Well, unless, of course, you can sign up to Patreon and then you will get the confessions.
Absolutely. I'll give you a cheap one, €3 for one episode, getting
Wow.
all cheap. Okay, well, Lana would your rag. Let's take in a seachtaine. An tachtain seo therein, an téama ná, how to have a kink. Now,
Bye, see, Louise. Louise.
will it kinks got?
Well, King's gum. I think I have. I think tá rudí gur málam agus rudí nach málam, you know? Yeah.
Talk to me.
Talk to you. Talk to me. Okay, so bhí mes mína seo, like, so I don't like people who play fast and loose with a Jeremy situation, okay? Like, say, for example, bhí mé ar an metro in Paris, and, like, to I breagráim ar na rails agus na, you know, na whatever, like, na handles or pairs hand. A just in the díag sin, like, hasó chuimse mo chud lámh iní, because tá sé sach.
Yeah.
Well, tá card go cáthe tug féin ara like, is ar an subway in New York, right? Carháinlumm, I remember bheith ar an subway leis, and he's like getting something out of his tooth, and I was like, I can't. I was like, I actually can't. So I was only thinking of it then, because if he Hummer gur bail in the dig, and I was like, oh, we have to wash our hands, and we washed our hands, or had like a sanitary thing. But if I was with a fella, and he was doing that, I'd be like, I'm not shifting you because I don't know what bacteria is in your mouth. And I actually nervy made me so again. I was a bit weird, me under germs, and I thought I had gotten over it, but shin now I just be like, well.
So utar rá go bhain tú duine atá glán.
Against again. I mean, I did massive plus. I'd be like, ooh, they have good hygiene. They are aware of just like a bheith glan in the lava, because like Neil lads aware.
Okay, sin simul. Now, let's go on kink to an, but like it's small of me, and I suppose such a practical my rod because you don't dirty owl hands.
No, but we're starting vanilla with kinks. I'm not going too far into my kinks until like, you review some kinks yourself, and then I'll see how far you can push it.
Fin fair alter. Okay, I guess on fog or rounding Misha on topic shot mar. Okay, sorry, Mayor Madden. And I swear to God, I was this morning years old when I realised actually I think I have a kink. Gum, right? Just happens to coincide leis an tachtain seo atá going Roman Sula. I feel it's all around us. There's so much stuff in pop culture for our Wuthering Heights. Jacob Elordi is coming onto the telly. Bridgerton left, right, and centre, riding in the back of horse carts, the whole shebang, right? So, Hush Mayor Madden, Mayor Instagram, and every second fichon was Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny at the Super
Oh,
Bowl, right?
fuck off. This is your kink.
A Puerto Rican man. And I think that my kink now is being able to dance or move your hips like that in any way, shape, form. I think as Irish people, we got done really dirty. You're never going to get that kind of movement out of a man doing the Kerry polka.
Sorry, I'm going to say something. I'm going to say something right now. I'm going to ask you a question right now. Is this a piece that you prepared for the radio for Today FM? Did you talk about this on the radio for Today FM?
Girl, I've been talking about this since I got out of bed. I started by sending Declan a DM to say, there is a minute. I hope we can overlay this.
Sorry, hang on a minute. No, Louise is recycling her content now from Today FM. This is, no.
This is my content from literally, well, girl, I'm going to be regated to my show you. I couldn't stop thinking about this this morning. I sent Declan a video of Bad Bunny stood at the corner of a stage pumping for an entire song. Darren, you need to see this video to understand. I've actually never looked at a performance in the way and thought that I find this so attractive. Like, I don't find it that I was like, I can't believe this is something in a man that I'm finding.
At this age.
Yeah. Like, being able to move your hips and dance mar sin.
Being a good thruster.
like, no, being a mover. Like, a bheith an dausa, a bheith an rinke.
Yeah.
No? No.
Yeah, well, no, like, okay, I get you. I just don't know if this is a kink. Similar to mine. I don't think mine is a kink either. Is that not like very, is that not like very, like, no, sorry, like, I'm sorry, I can't accept this now. You like a man who can dance. I feel like a lot of, like, I feel like this is like a thing that people look for, a man who can
I'll just
dance.
show you this dance. No, girl, you're not understanding the level of dancing we're dealing with here. This is like, not like how to dance and make it look sexy.
See, no, okay, I would look, if someone could pull me in and dance a good set with me, maybe I'd be into that.
No, Darren, you think that's sexy? You just tell me right now that a man on the brush dance is more sexy than Mad Bunny pulsating his hips.
A man on the brush dance, no, I'm sorry, a man on the brush dance is categorically not sexy, okay, definitely not. But
on the walls of Limerick, like a man on the Kerry polka, a man, give me a set that says selling sex.
I just, I like someone who can do like, the Ballivor in a set now, who can have a good batter, who can do a good batter. Maybe I'd be into that. Not to care, like, you're naming things that are like river dance adjacent. I'm not into the river dance of it all, but
talk to me about the Ballivor in a set and what does that have?
Well, you can have a good batter, like for and bring me around the house. He'd like hold on to you, he'd pull you into him, and he'd bring you charging around the house and set. Would be great. But the one thing I'll say here is that we've both brought two very weak kinks to the table. Like, you can't sit here now and tell me now, like, you can't sit here and tell me that this is like your kink. You saw a fella who's a good dancer and this is your kink. And also, like, you're looking for content now, Louise. You're looking for content the whole time for today, Farm. I'm calling you out for using the content. Calling you out. If she was here now, she'd yell.
Absolutely call me out on it being topical for today, but I will not accept it as not being a kink. There is in no world is being a hip thrusting Latin sexy god not a kink. That is now. I mean, like, I'll progress on to the. Do you want a definition of a kink?
Okay, go on. Give me the definition of a kink, so that I understand. Cad Gadir of a gestion.
A kink adds to sex, but isn't required for arousal. So it's rather current lesh.
Okay, so when those are all. So what is a raw? Yeah, well, I suppose like
if those hits didn't add to sex anyway, you'd be fucking at something wrong.
So okay, so we're going to raw is as far as okay. So small at dinner will grab to thrust all the linganate.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, look, I mean, I'm also a fan of that. So, féin.
You know what I mean? Like, again, we need to overlay this video. It's not in a banging trusting way. This is in like a with undulation. You know the
ganar as well. Tásigh n-éisteoirí and phlé sugar undulator úntach tú hain. So the queen of undulation.
I mean, what you like a man to wash his hands before fingering you, like. Oh, for fuck's sake, at least. I mean, you can't give it out about my fucking kink. I like a man to move his hips in a round motion. Well, I like mine to use palm olive, soft and fresh, and double wash, and then use a microfiber cloth to dry his fingers.
Okay, now I never said a microfiber cloth.
You need to use hand cream after, you'd get thrushed. Like, come on, where'd you draw the line?
Louise, I mean, look, I just said dormish and hygiene. But anyway,
Bhí mis devastated le déanaí le fálam go raibh AI imagery ag dul timpeall and the man síalta. I thought that I'd come across something really original, right? And I sent it to Orna Thoradh and Padja, and it was a picture of Jacob Elordi doing the promo for Wuthering Heights with his shoes off, wearing a pair of nylon tights or nylon socks. Okay? So, cad a cheapan tú. So, Táis a goibh gléir gur má lumsa na costa. I've never shied away about saying that I like feet. What are your thoughts about men in nylon?
Sorry, like, what do you mean? Like a pair of
nylon sock or a pair of tights?
Well, like, okay, for anybody who knows that they go off tights and like if your toes are all squished and the bottom, like they're all like, they can't like move around sitlias gefraid low pyre stucky. No, I'm not ni malum sakusa. I just couldn't be dealing lesha like I don't think I would like think that much about it because I'd be like, oh, sure, you'll just take your socks off. But like, if you
wash your feet.
No.
So anyway, Chiapas Garev on fiction, like actually real agus adult. I was like, oh my God, good on him. He's like normalizing what's wrong with a man wearing a nylon sock. Why are people traumatized? But anyway, AI of Ian. I suppose it's really, isn't it like on Shlí Tradiisiúnta when you're explaining over a kink, it's like lingerie, whips and chains.
I know, BDS.
Stuff mar sinnde or glass the suas mar like glantor or
Yeah. Well, shush, like tá aithne a gcuinge daoine and le scéal fada a dhéanamh garad bhí like tá siad asúla amach le chéile, but you know, bhí sé sais bhí sé den nósacha or tá sé den nósacha dul timpeall agus propositioning dhéanamh ar daoine chun tasteach gur threesome. And I'd be like, okay, shin kink.
yeah.
And like, you know, if gur chat me that's a kink that they're into, and that's everybody's consensual and whatever, and sure, happy out. So I don't know, but maybe like to my swing of a really row extreme, I'm like, listen, I just like an old vanilla ride, you know, I don't need to be doing any of this mad shit, you know. And it would just be awkward. How do you be like, wear these nylon tights before I can have sex with you? Like I'm too polite.
But or the freshen Captain Gold Shishin sort like in the realm of fantasy and where we like, you know, that's all orient I'd say go me and the kinks, the gná kinks, a wadnius simply. Like honestly I would say a kink is probably a man who like can clean a house and cook a dinner and like I swear to God, like, or do you know what I think is, you know, do Reagan to like I don't know if it needs to be all bells and whistles.
Okay, so I know the neg na le cara elalum, right? If we were just caught me at show, actually lilling der shafana, and so ta ana going ar lad show, agus he's really into feet, okay? He's really into feet. Agus chuúsig caroling, like there's a big session going on, and that everybody hit gachtain in the chola. Agus chuúsig caroling, and the avarkeen in male on irsha, right? She woke up and her toe was in this fella's mouth. And she was obviously like, what the fuck? Like, now that wouldn't bother me if I woke up with my toes in someone's mouth. But if I thought they were getting something out of it, you see, like, I would be so innocent. I wouldn't even think you'd be getting something out of it. I'd be like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Like, we're all so squished together. My toe accidentally got in your mouth. But obviously, he was like having a good time. He's having a good time. What do you think of that, Louise Cantlin? Well, would a fella
I love it. I absolutely love it. I'd be like, yes.
Would you?
No, ní dóile me. I think that's
like the way you like toes. Like, would you like a toe in your mouth?
Not in my mouth. I like my toes being rubbed. I love a foot massage.
That's not a fucking. Everybody likes a foot massage. That's why people pay to get them.
Yeah. No, sorry. I guess Sinead, like, I wish I could say I was kinkier with feet. Like, I don't know about a toe in a mouth, what that would do for me at all now. I don't think I like would get much stimulation from sucking a toe, and I don't think I would get much stimulation from having my toes sucked.
Okay.
I'd be like, well, if you're going to do anything to it, give it an L rub. That's where I would be on the toe scenario. That's probably disappointing to you now.
No,
I mean, with Sinead. Now, I am going to just share this with you. With Das, right? Agus shout out to Orna Lerahor. She has put down under Darren's category for kinks, okay? 2 options for you here, Darren, as talking points. Okay, for a hain, just hilling pipes. I don't know what you'd be thinking of doing with them in a kinky regard.
So I used to really fancy young lads who played the uilleann pipes, but since then I actually have rethought this, and I also really don't like some fellas that play the uilleann pipes. So I used to be really no. I'm trying to phrase this, huh?
Is that a weird kesh?
What?
An raibh gnééis riomh agat le duine ads bhí siad ag sinnam orlis.
No. What?
How did you? Sorry, uilleann pipes dot under kink. I'd imagine, like, are they playing and riding? There'd be something cathartic.
First of all, you're in a pipe strapped around your waist, right? So that would be a deterrent, first of all, because you wouldn't be able to be fucking pumping up your bellows and pumping.
You could be in a little doggy position, regular dull.
No.
Can I
ask you a question? Would you know the spoons I bought you? Do you imagine you'd be able to get a ride in while playing the spoons I brought you?
I imagine, and I actually know you could, because you're so stubborn. You could play the fiddle and get the ride at the same time. Yes, you fucking could. You could play a tune while riding, Darren. Yes, you could. And you know it. She fucking knows it.
Only if I was on top, though. Only if I was on top. It would only work.
Sorry, you are going to be lying down. We could arrange it.
Yeah, and you'd have to be. It would. I.
What would you play?
I don't. Yeah, I don't know. Something lively. Anyway.
Sorry, you go to the rhythm of a thought, Dini, 100%.
No, you couldn't. No, you couldn't be moving around and playing. No.
What about slap of the bow?
I don't know, Louise. I don't know. Listen, you go back to sucking the toes there now. I'd say I like it.
Listen, if you've gotten the ride or been giving someone else the ride while playing an instrument, please get in touch.
I actually did hear. I actually did hear of a fella that I know. He plays the fiddle. Who got a blowjob once when he was playing the fiddle. But that is genuinely the only thing that I'd say would work.
Like the fiddle actually kind of lends itself, you know. I suppose
the tap up. Listen, and you could still be working those thrusts.
Yeah, Darren she's taking a little innocent drink of whiskey here to hide the red. I wouldn't think now. I'd say kink for you. A fiddly ride. Okay, the second one, lol, is spanking. Ach, like, come on. Where do we stand on spanks?
I mean, sometimes an encouraging old slap is no harm.
I'm a bit like, PTSD.
I'd say it's the most boring ride of all time. We've spoken about this before now.
Yeah.
Been like most, yeah.
But have I told you the story, Riamh? So, cuaig duine bhaile le duine eile.
Okay.
It was a collinog, right? Chuisiú bhaile le imróir imant.
Okay.
Agus bhí siad, you know, le chéile in a hiomra. And as they were getting it on, she looked over and spotted his helmet, and she was like, oh. Actually, sorry, they were riding at this time.
Sorry, I actually remember you, yeah.
Is it a Mark or a Cooper? So I suppose come in and King Shinna Gadini, you know, and maybe it would help like bra and sort, Clogga the Gahan, I don't know.
Who was that, Arish? Just, you'll have to...
I'll text you.
Okay.
But anyway, Yennemer survey le cuid an n-éisteoirí therein beg tú delighted le clos agus tá siad san héis a kinks around linn. So I suppose Neil Misha not us a row hinky. Like, and I'm kind of sad about that. I'd like to work on it for 2026. So we put a little survey suas Erlene agus Garamila Mago to anyone who got involved. These are anonymous and Neil Mud Canane Animca around. On Chéad dinna anyway, and this is potentially now but a Shiva New York in disguise here. Maybe she herself sent this in. Neil's come. So okay, Darren and Dennis. Dear May Air, this was be glarit fina far. Dear May Air in the tiles a glana le steam cleaner dum. Ní raibh an grout riamh có glán. Kink olvor vi iha untach a goin lena céile.
No.
I mean,
no.
Right?
This could be like something that out of the Pendred household.
Yeah. I mean, that would do absolutely nothing for me. I'm just going to say this right now. Couldn't give a shit. Okay, Shochan a gum this there in right from another listener, right? Something they find woeful sexy altogether, okay?
Oh my god, woeful sexy.
A man reversing the car and putting his hand back around the head.
No, I get this. Hook it to my veins.
Yeah.
Hook it to my veins.
Yeah.
We've often spoken about it, the sex appeal of an old golf, Volkswagen golf.
It's on Schley and will to ag tamáint on golf.
Totally, but the attitude, I suppose, that went hand in hand with driving one of those golfs in the mid 2000s. You know, 2010s, the early 2010s.
He, like, you know, bugger I now reached the sale, right? And if you have a man who takes you for a drive, I think Will Rodagant, like, is it that like aisle drive, sits into the driver's seat? I don't know what you shouldn't like for a domineering Rodagant, and it's like, push your thought Giannis there and just show. I'll reverse us in here. I don't know, like, take him gamata on dinner show raw.
We are on your side here at A-Store. We love a man who can reverse.
Yeah. Now, Dina Ellen saw talk Sulina, and I feel this listener, I'm going to call you out. You're just being a bit vanilla like us, and it's a bit disappointing. Now, Darren Cheat, near sweenig me for shin riamh, this is having a kink. Ach Tom can dul dirach go lower Karma Sutra can plan kinky a yen of Lahaig Valentine's Day. Who the fuck is a lower Karma Sutra? And come on, girl, if you're looking at it. No.
Yeah, no, that sounds like a forward plan. That takes all the spice out of it if you're forward planning a position. You know what I mean? I don't know. Now, do you know, Tamayalanum to your one, Jenny Keane, our Instagram. I feel like that'd be like a little spicy brunkenness to get someone for Valentine's Day. Would be like one of her workshops.
Yeah. Or Rodella, Erakaturi of on is it tantric yoga.
Oh yeah.
Into like déanaimid yoga led the fart near na rud and it's like I've often shown Declan, sometimes these will come up my algorithms, right? Like the videos of people doing it. Agus can and ruddy, and I'd say we'd both find it fucking torture, is like exios core Akela, agus just extana Akela. Or fag like lenomate.
Yeah, Mr. Shinhana left. Yeah, Mr. Shinhana le boyfriend. Yeah.
Are you into it?
Yeah. You may. It was. Yeah. Well, we were also like breaking up at the time, and it Vichy just it was you know, you're confronted with like a lot.
So
to be very into sharing emotions, I would say.
So chashiv déanaimid.
Yeah.
On Eric.
Yeah. I don't know why. I think it was just a generally very depressing.
Agus cad horla just whack.
Then we just had sex and that was the end of it, like whack. As one of these, like, this is what the fucking hippie, do you know, like this kind of thing. We were like, oh, we tried this for the crack. I think Connick the Egg or real egg or something. And then I can't really remember except just being like, this is really weird. And then we just had a normal ride and that was the end of it.
Yeah, because take on one sort like
you wouldn't relate with her at all.
Well, funny enough, Declan was like, I couldn't fucking sit like that for 10 minutes. My hamstrings would be gone. Or my quads would be able to sit like that. Yeah. But and I was also like, I don't know, is it go to like looking into another soul? Is that obviously the kiangalt is nias mona rod physical?
Well, sure, Rod Simul. Rod Gehogan Finara is with the eye contact, okay? Like, I you know, I could hold eye contact with you, say, for example, and I would never think of it. Now, obviously not an elongated time like that, but Rod more, like, no, tattoo fertile. I'm not a good flirt. Like, I will say that straight out. Like, Neil Megama, if I'm vibing like the Negan, I'll just be like, so what's the story? Are we shifting or what's crap? Like, Neil May, I'm not one of these who are like, you know, hands
you
up all.
famously gave a man availability dates after 3 DFs.
Girl, time is money. Time is money. You see this work schedule we have going. I'm not.
No, that's really flirty though.
Shape in, shape out, get out of the gap. Now, in fairness, I think there Hyomen Nadati Shin Garev to Lum, and we were on the high stool. So, like, to be fair, that wasn't unprovoked. But and Rugby we made the is oh yeah. So eye contact is so intimate. Nor tattoo fertile, or like when there's a vibe then and you're giving them the eye contact, and I really have to force myself to maintain eye contact because I feel like eye contact is very gamey, really gamey.
Agus like kinky coma. Like there's something beautiful about someone. I don't know, Agus too, like on an intimate with an egg, and then they're like looking at you. You know, I really like nod or when you're like poga, then to have your sula doing that. I don't know, or you might be, but there's actually something very much like looking into your eyes.
Yeah, into your eyes. But you ever notice that in a tattoo, like especially like riding away Irish fellas, like they can't look at you in the eye, like your eyes meet, and it's like, oh, like, you know. Yeah, like it's like, look away. Oh, this is way too intimate. Yeah. It's fucking gas. You're like, what is wrong with you? Like,
well, eye contact, I mean, it is, there's probably a fine art to, and you need to be kind of Emwanina Koma, like Gavin girl.
Oh, absolutely. You gotta lean into it. Yeah.
Because like you're looking at someone, but fuck it, if you're looking at them, they're looking back at you. So you're like, Kai gun féin bhain in a vegot.
Yes, I think so.
But yeah, Anva. Okay, Cadella. Okay, we have another little bit of correspondence here. Okay. Thought it would be hot to film ourselves on Valentine's last year, but now I've spent 12 months thinking about how atrocious my posture was.
No, that would be me. That would be me.
I mean, what position were they in? If you're bored with the posture, well, you're actually in a she did in a league.
Already on top.
Yeah.
Because maybe there'd be nothing worse than watching yourself riding away with the fucking curve on the back, like I would know. Dead Marv with the fiddle pose, like, do you know that?
Neela's come really caught the cabbage of Marielle, or like filming myself now. As much at all as I chop my arm off for a good TV gig, I'd have no desire to film myself having the ride. I
think it would be very confronting. Let a far or tain, like you'd have to be and let a far at the 40, and like it's very sexy from one perspective, but very quickly if you step out of that perspective, it's probably not sexy at all.
Yeah. Agus féin I don't know, Could the ceapan mé really réal ar aon this na rudí mar sin. I don't know where we just gone amach as an níos sin, but I would know what to do now if I was confronted with a dick pic or a nude. I'd have no interest whatsoever.
Yeah, well, I mean, I suppose that's because you live with your husband. Do you know what I mean? I like Anna Chudina are very into that kind of carry on, and they're, you know, I think now that's I think you're old before your time there now.
Yeah, either I am. Okay, let's lower Marie Howell kinkiness as a concept that's modern. It's actually not at all, dear. And this is a bit of you now. What about James Joyce writing letters to Nora about her farts?
Oh my God, I'm telling you, yeah, tá siad dána. Chunnig main some den, yeah, they're the dog made farts, and like he'd love to have her sitting on his knee and that she'd be doing little farts out of her bum, and the language is horrific. Is féile aine in a Google all James Joyce love letters to Nora Barnacle. Chunnig main some den vi den eigen vi meg leif lower and either taggart Victorian porn. So obviously I had to look up what was Victorian porn, and like Pictori really garshuel the like people riding in Victorian dress, so and like leaving nothing to the imagination. So, like, I mean, go can't be out of the age of internet and porn and blah, blah, blah. But I'm telling you, it was Visha Timpa le fada.
And I think for sure probably wasn't as far because you had to use the house Saulioch back then. So, as a lot.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, apparently that 5-4 initial left fear, like, nach Federlo, on Jabbercreech Nudo of Hain, like an og and Asa because being she the braher porn and Tamar fad.
Yeah.
Yeah, bizarre. People are mental.
Now, talking about Victorian ages, I do think there's nothing sexier than a corset. I love that. Have you seen, sorry to go back to the Wuthering Heights promo trail, but Margot Robbie, whoever's styling that woman needs a raise. Oh my God. So she gneisach. Everything she's wearing is fucking sexy as fuck.
Sexy girl. Well, yeah, near my Alanount, but I will make my business to have a go.
Oh, like corsets, skippy. Do you know what I think is very sexy as well? Underboob. Done right.
Yeah, there you go.
And on a sexier fad. I'm going to leave you with a few nice quotes there in case you'd like to use them when you're sexting.
Okay, Gurmaga. Yes.
Good night, my little farting Nora, my dirty little fuckbird.
Written by the greatest mind of Irish literature, James Joyce. Now,
it is wonderful to fuck a farting woman when every fuck drives one out of her. I hope Nora will let off no end of her farts in my face so that I may know her smell also.
Oh my gosh.
Side note, chuir sé little cocky ar a bhrilín. Now they're in. Do with that what you will, kinky nílachon. Well, the
Oh my God, gas. I mean, listen, fair play. I'm delighted and vertical, unwed and riding away. Fair play, Duff.
Honestly, tell me from your chree now, if someone texted you and said, my farting little fuckbird, would you be delighted with yourself? Because I would be actually insulted. I don't want to be anyone's farting.
I actually would probably love that text because I would know what the reference is and I would be like, you know, that's a real kink for me. I love nothing more when I'm in a road left far that like these really niche, like Toggerty.
Your kink.
Oh, that is my kink, big time. Like, who can be the nerdiest? Who can like, Cape and Gael. We know what's got me going, Sinead.
That is her fucking kink. Now,
it is actually, yeah. I'm a fool for it.
Sharpen your pencils.
I know. Yeah, no, Cape and Gael. We get revising.
Your farting little fuckbird waits your text. Okay, I suppose. Look, it's really not been as dirty as I'd hoped it would be. Agus beidir Gael an lucht ormsa, chaig misha beidir obrayanov mahev kinky de, the obra le déanamh gomsa, but our checklist is glandalova, nídalova, agus to
sexting. Always wash your hands before you sext, guys.
Sinead, Caldella, get the toes out. Men, if you feel like wearing tights, I'm not opposed.
No.
I mean, nylon gives you crush, but it's fine with bikini.
If a fellow was wearing a socks and he was riding you, would that not freak you out?
You know I don't like a sock.
Yes, fool him the socks come out, yeah.
Yeah, no, not a sock.
Yeah, okay. No, well, Tommy, into her machin anyway. Gas. Well, will el glúise go thing, Lou?
Oh, glúise gum.
Bam.
Okay. Biala is lube. Kink áilethe for kinky no save nosach foghlaimímid. Save nosach.
Okay. Similar. Well, have I can canach off a son come shelide snail. Shelide. Bhín shelide gang. Agus her sin on shelide muishk is like nausea. Now ma churn rud muishgurt current nausea earth.
On gapan tú gur Aphrodisiac.
In the Shelladí. Need isagum, actually. Yeah, need isagum.
Timordella. I don't know about those.
They're here to go bars.
Absolutely. Well, you'll have to do the testing. Okay, Anna, so yop agus yach na seachtainna. Tá mis chunan tusnú amach leis an yop there, and sorry now. Tá Bad Bunny ag fault an yop. I don't care why you're against this and why this isn't good enough to be a kink. Go and look at videos of this sexy Latina man. His name is Biento. They're calling it the Biento Bowl, not the Super Bowl. He's so righty.
Okay. I'll take your word for it, girl. I'll take your word for it, girl. Iach na seachtainna éasca was to carry on like Gregory Campbell agus uachtar on the Heron and bhí sé cho drobéis ó chlé. But fair play to it also can kind of have to be the yup chuma because we Catherine Connolly fucking deadly and she was just, I mean, aine go raibh an áras meallar ní éisteoirí fe an áras meallar a hiile.
Anna, right, come on, and come here, before you let me go, you'll have to find a man. I want to be part of a Kerry Polka. Not a Kerry Polka, was it? A Ballyvorna set.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I want a sexy Ballyvorna set there in a Bliana, Ledhall.
We'll find the man who would do a sexy Ballyvorna set for you, Louise. No bother.
With the hips.
With the hips. We get that. That's a mission to go how to Gael now. Ireland's sexiest set dancer.
Oh my God. And if you're listening, comment below. We'd have you in to the studio for a live go of it.
No.
Anna, okay, well, look, lads, siscuibh gur féidir linn a bheith a dteagmháil linn. Let us your comments, please feel free to roast us, Darren, as if she hasn't roasted me enough for being not kinky enough. But please get involved. Do you have sex with a pair of stiletto boots on? I don't know. Do you like to do it in the cowshed? Inspire us. Lever dull. Fog your comments. Be a dteagmháil or Gmail. We want to know.
Woo! Slán!